Okay, I'm trying to get started and the police is wailing in the background. Jeez. What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto. In this video we're going to be unboxing 3 police equipment mystery boxes. In these boxes are goodies, weapons, no guns, stuff that I accumulated from searching decommissioned police cars. Now these boxes will go live in about an hour after this video goes live. Each box will cost around $100, and right now I'm going to show you what is inside 3 of them. Alright, let's start with box number 1. Whelen Dash King 2000 in red. You will need a strobe power supply, Gauls siren box. This is a ST160 Street Thunder with the mic. This makes all the sounds and has the PA and all that. This is pretty freaking awesome. There is a gun holster by Safariland, a flashlight that works. Each box will include brand new engraved handcuffs with the key. There is a Santa Cruz gun lock, Cold 3 arrow stick. There is a bi-directional headlight flasher. This will make your headlights flash. There is some sort of SWAT tool. It's one of those things you throw and you can climb on or retrieve things. Crime scene investigation handbook. It's where you could do your own crime scene investigations and try to figure out who left that toilet seat up. The Ace of Spades dagger, an antenna, a bunch of other random stuff in here. I will also include these Whelen hideaway flashers. Let me demonstrate these for you. Now this is about to be super bright. Holy smokes. Yeah, I'm blind now. Now in mystery box number 1, I'm still going to put a Crown Rig Auto t-shirt if they get here in time, and I will add a bunch of other stuff, whatever I can fit in there. Alright, let's go to box number 2. Okay. There is a traffic enforcement vest. I will even be nice enough and wash this for you. And there is a training pistol, so you could practice your quick draws. First aid pocket trauma kit with a bunch of stuff inside. Some type of holster. I believe this may be for mace. Just from the shape of it, I don't know, could be wrong. Autographed handcuffs, an antenna, Motorola dash cam, Whelen Dash King 2000, also red, Street Thunder model XS100. This has all the cool sounds in the PA, and it has built-in brackets here. 2 Whelen Smart LED 600 series amber lights. This has many patterns. All you have to do is touch the wire and it changes the patterns. Mystery box number 2 will also have hideaway lights and other random stuff. Whatever I can fit, I will try to squeeze a t-shirt in there. Now let's go to box number 3. Alright, so cat tourniquet, Motorola radio speaker, Whelen Dash King 2000 police K9 unit patch. There's a Code 3 Microcom 2, the head unit with the mic, sound off headlight flasher, Motorola dash cam, a red Whelen light, Let me turn this on for you real quick. This light also changes patterns. Very cool. And it also includes these red and blue lights that came off the impersonator Impala. It changes pattern with this push of a button. And box number 4 will include this plate carrier right here with this little side thing. This also has pouches and a drop pouch thing. You can put your empty magazines. Also available is this Federal Signal Delta Ray. This is a sun visor light. This thing is pretty freaking awesome. There's like over 12 patterns, I believe. I'm really sad to let this one go, but I know it will go to a better home. It is yours. There is a link in the description. By the way, these are ultra rare to find. They don't make them anymore. It would also be autographed. Also, I have lots of handcuffs that I will be autographing and posting online if you want to help out the channel. Each handcuff will include a Crown Rick Auto patch. Now there is still a lot more stuff that I'm gonna stuff in all of them. Hey, look what I have. You know what this is? This is the crack lighter. You know why they call it the crack lighter? This is why. Go! Okay, we got one yellow man, pill shape. Make way.
Multiple lacerations.
Defibrillator.
Hit him with the defibrillator.
Defibrillate him.
Charge.
Clear! 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 That's not working.
Epinephrine, straight to the heart.
It didn't work. All right, leave it in, leave it in. We need adrenaline. Adrenaline. We need to amputate a leg. Amputate a leg.
Why are we amputating his leg?
Oh wait, why? He's still smiling. I don't know if he's gonna make it.
Oh, he's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. We gotta get him back to hell so we can torture him.
Forgot. Oxygen.
Breathe!
Breathe, funny man.
Let's call it.
What time? 4:06 p.m. Deceased. Yellow pill-shaped man. Better luck next time. Whoa, he's up!
Oh, shit!